Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stabilize the Shaky video in CapCut apps. So if you can open the CapCut, tap on your project and select your Shaky video that you want to edit. So for example, just say this Shaky video and I'm going to make it better than before. So just tap on the clip and then select Stabilize, and you can adjust for the option here. Click check mark so you can see for the final result. Yeah, okay, I think it's better than before, but you can repeat again. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.